Looking to upgrade your workshop? In this video, we're counting down 10 must-have woodworking tools that every DIY enthusiast and professional should own. From essential woodworking hand tools to powerful woodworking power tools, these tools will help you cut, drill, shape, and assemble wood with precision and ease. Whether you're building furniture, cabinets, or simple DIY projects, having the right tools can make all the difference. We'll cover the best woodworking tools for beginners and pros, including tools for accurate cutting, smooth finishing, and strong joinery. The all-new expandable push shoe from Bow Products gives you more control, comfort, and safety in your shop. It starts at 1 3/4 inches wide and expands all the way to 6 inches with a single knob turn, locking firmly in place at any width. That means you can handle everything from narrow rips to wide boards without switching tools. Work faster, stay safer, and keep your focus on the cut. The tall, angled handle keeps your hand above the surface and well away from the blade. Introducing the Ecarke Cordless Biscuit Joiner, precision woodworking made portable. Designed to be compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this tool delivers cordless freedom for furniture making, cabinet work, and on-site projects. Powered by a high-speed motor reaching up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, it provides fast, clean cuts for accurate biscuit joints, helping align and strengthen wood connections with ease. The adjustable fence supports cutting angles from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing flexible positioning for a wide range of woodworking applications. Similar systems in professional joiners use fixed stops at common angles to improve accuracy and repeatability. Meet the metal-concealed hinge jig. Precision drilling for perfect cabinet hinge installation. Designed for 35mm concealed or Euro-style hinges, this jig allows you to drill accurate cup holes and mounting holes using a standard power drill. Built from durable metal construction, it provides enhanced stability and long-term reliability compared to plastic jigs, helping reduce movement and improve drilling accuracy. The integrated drill guide ensures precise positioning of both the hinge cup and screw holes, allowing consistent alignment across multiple cabinet doors. With adjustable offset settings, typically ranging from around 2 to 8 millimeters, you can easily control the distance from the door edge, making it going make. Rail saw parallel guide ensures fast, repeatable cuts from 0 to 1,350 millimeters. Supports standard cuts and narrow cuts. The rail saw with parallel guide for decomposing sheet goods is similar to the fence on a table saw, guaranteeing each cut the same width without measuring or marking. Easier to make perfect parallel cuts at all sizes for a large full sheet of plywood instead of your table saw. Going make. Parallel. Guide attaches to your safety guide rail and positions the cutting line of your rail. Saw perfectly parallel to the stock edge at the precise distance you need. Supports identical cutting results every time. Going make. Parallel guide is easy to use. First, slide the connecting inserts into the guide rails of the rail saw and lock the square in safety. Second, connect the T-rail to the bracket until you touch the edge of the bracket and lock the screws. Third, slide the stop into the T-track and connect the calibration rod to the tilting stops. IIIXS. Cabinet clamps are crafted for durability and convenience, allowing you to tighten, align, pre-drill, and secure cabinet styles without adjusting or removing the clamps. Each set includes 4 high-performance face frame clamps. These clamps streamline the face frame cabinet installation process by combining multiple steps into one simple, efficient operation. Professional quality installation is achieved at a fraction of the time compared to the use of more conventional clamps. Introducing the Castforce KF3005 folding sawhorse, built for strength, stability, and job site performance. Designed as a twin pack, This heavy-duty sawhorse set delivers an impressive load capacity of up to 2,200 pounds or 1,000 kilograms, making it ideal for demanding construction, woodworking, and DIY tasks. Constructed from 100% steel, it offers long-lasting durability and the strength needed to handle heavy materials with confidence. The integrated 2x4 support arms feature dual positions, allowing you to quickly create a stable job site table for cutting, assembly, or support work. The Bow Products. Pack of Dogs 6-piece bench dog set is designed for versatility, featuring dogs that are compatible with 3/4 inch, 19mm to 20mm diameter holes, making them suitable for various dog tables or work surfaces. Each bench dog stands approximately 1.5 inches tall, ensuring reliable functionality. Introducing PowerFast 2 from Fischer, a high-performance screw designed for fast, efficient, and reliable fastening. Engineered for use in wood, chipboard, and wood-based materials, PowerFast 2 features a specially designed thread that enables rapid penetration while reducing driving effort. The optimized tip allows for quick bite and precise start, helping minimize the need for pre-drilling in many applications. Its advanced geometry also reduces the risk of wood splitting, even when working close to edges. A low-friction coating improves driving performance, allowing smoother installation and reduced strain on tools and batteries. Suitable for a wide range of construction and woodworking tasks, PowerFast 2 delivers strong holding power and consistent results. Fischer PowerFast 2. Fast driving, secure hold, and professional performance.